Hi, I'm Hisayoshi Tanaka from Meijo University in Japan. We propose a new remote control system for smart home appliance. Most existing remote control service can realize to remote control smart home appliance via remote control support server. However, if that service is terminated, users can't control these from outside the house even though smart home appliances are run normally. To solve this problem, we propose a new remote control system using network traversal with mobility, NT-Mobile. NT-Mobile is an end-to-end encryption communication architecture and can achieve connectivity over NAT router. So by using NT-Mobile, controller can start encrypted end-to-end communication with smart home appliance. And NT-Mobile server is operated by NT-Mobile providers or an individual user. So by the proposed system, the users can securely and remotely control smart home appliance without any remote control support server. So we implemented the proposed system for Econet Lite. Econet Lite is standard protocol for controlling home appliance in Japan. So as a result of our verification, we found that the overhead in the proposed system didn't adversely affect the Econet communication. Thank you.
Panasonic